Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, so we're doing a video on replacing the alternator, tips on replacing the alternator on I think this is an '03 Ford V6. All right, I was called out to do this job. I really didn't know how crazy this job would be. I didn't know that the alternator was going to be located where it was located. Essentially, if you guys are doing this job, good luck. This car had a ton of rust on it. The bolts, just getting the cover off, the bolts were snapping off. That's how bad the bolts were. All right. As far as the bolts, there's 3 bolts on this alternator. Could not take a single bolt off this alternator. And if you guys are thinking maybe, oh, you didn't put enough effort into it, good luck. All right, I'm sure you guys are watching this video because you guys are probably looking on tips on how to do this job. Essentially, I don't think there are too many videos out there. Now, I'm going to give you guys some tips, even though I didn't finish the job up, couldn't even get the bolts off, because not that I couldn't get the alternator out, because the bolts were absolutely seized. And not only were they seized, the bolts were at an angle where every single time I would try to put either a wrench on it or a wrench on it, could not do it. And I had every single tool. Bolt busters, could not do it. Could not do it from the top. All the bolts were a weird angle. Ford made this car. I can't believe in the early 2000s they actually made this car to be as hard to service as possible. This is supposed to be a serviceable part. All right. Knowing where the alternator is, if you guys are doing this job, knowing where the alternator is, good luck. You're supposed to take the axle off. It's supposed to give you enough room. A lot of people have complained about there not being enough room, even with the axle taken off. Now, you guys could take it from the top. There's a video of this guy taking this alternator out from the top and then swapping it in from the top. However, I'm guessing that you're not going to have as easy of a time as he was doing this, because rusted bolts make this situation so much worse. And I'm pretty sure if I was able to even turn the bolts, a couple of them would have snapped off. Couldn't do it. I was thinking about heating it up. Could not heat it up. All right, I couldn't heat it up. I could probably heat the one bolt that's sitting on the outside. I could heat that up. I thought about that. The other 2 bolts could not get a torch in any of those other 2 locations to heat it up. That's how bad this job was. Those are the tips that I have for you guys. If you guys are doing this job, probably a lot more easier to take it out from the top than to take it out from where the axle, popping the axle off and taking this out. Either way, it's gonna be a difficult job. And if you guys have rust, if you guys have bolts that are seized, it's gonna make it almost impossible. And if you guys have this car, this is an older car. I actually told the customer it wasn't really worth doing, but they told me that they were going to take it to the shop. Good luck with that. I'm almost positive that the shop is probably going to charge $600-700 to take an alternator out of this car because of how much work that's involved in doing it. If you guys have a question on this, a comment, definitely leave a question, a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.